Today's topic is Google Maps marketing in 3 minutes. Let's crush it. It's no secret that Google Maps has revolutionized the way we navigate. What used to be a clunky, time-consuming process is now a breeze with Google Maps. Not only you can find directions quickly and easily, but you can also find local businesses and attractions right on the map. This makes it easy for tourists and local alikes to explore their surroundings. Google Maps marketing is becoming increasingly popular as businesses realize the potential of this powerful tool. By adding your business to Google Maps, which is free by the way, you can reach out to a much wider audience and boost your visibility online in a matter of days. As more and more people turn to Google Maps for information on local businesses, it's essential to make sure that your business is listed correctly and looks great on the map. If you're a business owner, you know that a listing of your business on Google Maps is a must. But did you know that there are many other benefits of being listed? Here's just a few that I'm sure that you didn't know about. 1. Increased visibility and reach. When people search for businesses in your industry, they'll see your listings at the top of the results page. This means more traffic and leads to your business. 2. Improved customer experience. With accurate directions and hours of operation listed on your profiles, customers can easily find and visit your business. This leads to much more sales and happy customers. 3. Greater online credibility. Being listed on Google Maps leads to credibility by your customers. The credibility to your business as an established player in your industry is all about the reviews, which can help attract multiple new customers and partners alike. There is no doubt about it. When it comes to marketing your online business that has local standings, OTT is the best. We have years of experience in creating successful Google Maps campaigns, and our team of experts actually know how to get your business to the exposure it deserves. We'll start by creating a custom marketing plan that fits your needs and budget. Then we will take care of everything else, from designing an eye-catching Google Map listing to managing your campaign and tracking results. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and let's get you on the map.